This is a BDP 542 package heat pump, old Hackaroo. The compressor is tilted. It's been changed up before, as you can tell. You got the dryer stuffed in a access on the liquid line here. What a piece. It's actually just a little bit low on refrigerant. We have a leak here. I don't know. I say let sleeping dogs lie. That rubbing on the discharge line. One hack unit. Came across this air temp unit. It's a micro channel. It's a Nordine unit. But it was installed recently. Pretty oily around here. A brand new unit. 14 to 15 SEER. Comes with a scroll compressor. So what was left? There's a new disconnect on there. Seal around the disconnect. Forgot that hole there. Whew. Boy, oh boy.